I'm the Genius Asian. Welcome to the Genius family.
Today, we're going to show you how to fix a leaking kitchen faucet. The easiest thing to try first is to remove the handle. As you can see, here we already have taken off the handle. It's an easy thing to do, and we'll be showing it to you in a little while. And then look inside this part of the faucet, and you should see 3 small screws. So try tightening them and see if that solves your problem. Another thing you can try is to take the cartridge out and then try to clean the seal circles that you see here. So clean around there and then put the cartridge back in and see if your problem has been corrected. So we had taken those 2 steps, tightening the screws and cleaning the seals, a few years back, but eventually our leak returned. So we knew it was probably time that we would have to replace the cartridge. Well, this is an American standard faucet. It came with a lifetime warranty. So we thought we should probably be able to get a cartridge from American Standard. However, we did not have the model number. So what did we do next? We went to Home Depot, where they have quite a lot of faucets, and we found an American Standard that looked quite similar to the one we have. And then we measured to make sure that all the different pieces had the same dimensions as the one we have. And so we could be reasonably certain that the cartridge for that model number would fit ours. So you may be able to call, you may be able to submit a request online. We did so, and this is the cartridge that we received in the mail. Okay, so here we go on replacing the cartridge. The first thing you need to do is shut off the water. This can be done by closing the valves underneath the sink or by turning off the main water supply to the house. We will show you how to do that at the end of the video. You will need to loosen the small screw adjacent to the handle using an Allen wrench. Try 3 to 4 turns to see if that loosens the screw enough that you can pull the handle off. You need to turn it enough turns to loosen it, but not so many that it will make it difficult for you to remove the handle. First, take a look. Try to confirm visually that the new cartridge looks like the old one. Then, unscrew this piece, remove it. After that, look for the 3 small screws at the top of the cartridge and unscrew them. Then the cartridge should come out easily. Turned out that our new cartridge didn't come with the 3 screws that it needs to hold it in place. So we took the 3 screws from the old one and used those to fasten the new cartridge in place. Now, just screw the cartridge in place and then screw this piece back on over it. Put the handle back on. Tighten it with the Allen wrench. You're done. Although, of course, you still have to go turn your water back on and, of course, give it a little bit of a test to make sure everything's flowing smoothly. Hey, and remember a little while back we said we would show you how to shut off the main water supply to the house? Well, here's that bit now, following. Put a screwdriver into the hole of this wrench. Adjust the opening of the wrench to fit the valve. You can turn the screwdriver and drop the wrench into a hard-to-reach small opening. Let's see this main water supply valve, which is buried underground. You drop the wrench into the hole. Turn the screwdriver. Now you can open or close the valve. A gardener with 30 years of experience who I spoke to really liked my method. He said he has never seen anything like it. Before you go back to your actual repair, find another faucet. It could be inside, it could be outside, that is lower than the one you are working on. Open it so that it drains the water out.
Share this with people who you know that need it. Leave your own genius tips in the comment section below. Don't forget, I'm the Genius Asian. Subscribe for more useful videos.